Our goal here on the farm is to grow the most nutritious, healthy, sexiest, best flavored, best tasting vegetables that exist in the world.
Citerra presents Lee and Bob, the farmers.
We've grown vegetables our entire lives. It's really all we know how to do.
At every single stage of a plant's life, it offers something unique to the plate. From a micro to a petite, to an ultra, to a baby, to a young, to a flowering, to a seeded size.
The product is harvested here on the farm this morning and will be on a plate within 24 hours.
It just doesn't get any better than that.
Regenerative farming is a technique of agriculture that really is about ecosystem function.
And what we're doing is trying to identify the mineral deficiencies in the soil, and then we plant crop specific. And it's really a core of regenerative agriculture. Healthy soil, healthy vegetables, healthy people, healthy environment. And that's really the crux of what we're trying to do.
I actually connected with Chef's Garden a few years back on a retirement plan solution for their employees.
We have to develop relationships with people that are smarter on financial planning and financial management than we are.
Having a company like Payne Nichols that we can trust and working with them helps us be more assured of our future and our legacy.
Without a doubt, I would not be able to conduct business in the way that I do without Citerra. You don't have to do it alone. There are folks there and available, and it allows you to better serve your client.
I tell Rachel often, I'll grow the vegetables, you do the finance. That's how it works.
Your growth is our purpose. Visit Citerra.com.